Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I transform this little outfit that I bought from the charity shop into a lovely outfit for me to wear that is more suited for me. I started with unpicking all the seams and seeing how much fabric I had, and I even saved the buttons for later. And actually I made a pattern for this item, fit it for my own body, and then I just cut it out, and then I had to make the ruffles. That's what I wanted. I wanted to be a lovely playful summery dress that I could wear. And then here I'm just showing you that I marked the darts because I just wanted to be more figure hugging for me. And then I'm just gonna sew all the pieces together, and you can see that this is the front, and then I did the shoulder seams and then the side seams. So I wanted to add some ruffles for the bottom of the skirt around the hips, and I just didn't have enough for one extra ruffle, so I had to add it in. And then I just sewn all the ruffles onto a rectangle square, and that is how I added volume.
The last thing is left for me to do the ruffles at the front. I wanted to add some ruffles, some volume, because I have loads of volume at the bottom and I just wanted to put some at the top because I'm not going to add any sleeves. So I copied the pattern, and then I'm going to just copy it and add the ruffles and add the volume, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So first of all, I'm going to have to add it on here and then slash it and then open them, so I'll show you them.
I started with copying the neckline and then slashing it, and then I'm spreading it. So the more I spread it, the more volume I had, and then I just copied the pattern, laid it on the fabric, and I cut two pieces, and this is how it's gonna look. So I've added face to back, and then I just pinned all the fabric so they don't move, and then I just did a simple stitch all the way around, and then I just added some ribbon just to finish it off, because this is how I did for the bottom of the ruffles, and I wanted to just be a bit more symmetric, and I just added it at the top, and I just used a simple stitch just to add it on. And this is my final result. What do you think? I think it's very drastic from what it looked before to what is now. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of these kind of videos, please leave me a comment down below. What else would you like me to transform, or just do little tweaks to the garments and show you how I can make them more wearable to me and to yourself as well. So if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and tell me what else you want to see from me.